You sit down, you open your computer, you start writing a sentence, and then you delete it. You write it a bit different, delete it again. Now you're opening ChatGPT, asking it to help you write that one sentence, but somehow it does not feel right. Why can't I do it myself? Why does it take hours to write 2 sentences? That's not your fault. Nobody told you really how to write a thesis or an essay. Today I'm giving you the ultimate writing guide for your thesis, or any other essay or text you have to write. So after this video you will know how to pick the right tools and programs, how to structure your research phases, and how to plan your time right. Basically everything you need to avoid that last minute panic spiral, and maybe even impress your advisor. Step 1. Pick the right programs. First things first. Software. You might think, I'll just write it in Word, and yes, that works, but if you want to be efficient, learning a new setup now saves you hours later. For reference managers, you could use Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote. These ones are for note-taking. So if you can't find your note from 2 months ago, they organize all sources for you, so you don't end up citing Wikipedia pages for panic. For writing tools you can use Word, Google Docs, or LaTeX if you're a tryhard. Jokes aside, LaTeX is probably the best, but takes some hours to learn. For organizing apps, I recommend Trello or Notion. Trust me, choosing the right programs now saves you hours or days later. Your future self will thank you. Step 2. Master your research phase. This is where most people either go super deep or vanish for 2 weeks, or just skip everything and end up crying later. The trick? Use best of both worlds. Phase 1. Brainstorming and outline. In this phase you point out your main research question, pretending you are a detective. What am I really investigating here? Outline your chapters, even if it's messy. Think of it like a sketch before painting. Phase 2. Literature review. Read strategical. Find literature that fits your research question. You don't have to read everything. Skim abstracts, check citations, find key papers. Use your reference manager here, seriously. Phase 3. Data and analysis. In this phase you plan your experiments, surveys, or whatever method you're using. You have to keep a clear log. Excel, Google Sheets, or Notion are your friends here. Phase 4. Writing and revising. Just don't aim for perfection here. Write a rough draft first and polish it later. Pro tip: build your writing into daily targets. Small bites avoid total burnout. So as you can see, breaking it down into simple steps will stop you from spiraling into panic. Step 3. Time planning. The timeline. Most students start thinking about this a week before the deadline. Don't be that student. Plan ahead. Here's a simple approach. Set the deadline for each chapter. Even a rough draw is better than nothing. Include buffer time. Life happens, computer crash, coffee spills on notes, or accidental threads hit. That's normal, so include it in your timeline. Use a reverse timeline. Start from your submission date and work backwards. That way around, you can map out when you should be done with every phase. Step 4. Stay sane and motivated. The final survival tip, because being smart isn't enough if you are a zombie by week 3. Take breaks, your brain is not a TikTok algorithm. Celebrate tiny wins. Finish a paragraph, high-five yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has a secret sauce. For some people it's just panic and caffeine. Also, find your hype music, seriously. Nothing motivates like perfect playlist when typing your literature review at midnight. So there you have it. The ultimate blueprint to survive, or maybe even enjoy your thesis. Remember, preparation beats panic every time. Pick your tools, structure your research, plan your time, and take care of yourself along the way. You've got this. Your thesis doesn't define you, but your approach does. If this helped you even a little bit, drop a like, share it with other panicking persons, and considering subscribing for more stuff that makes life slightly easier. Now go, put the phone down, and start planning your thesis.